Welcome back to Ginger Sadie's Crafts. I'm Mercedes. If you enjoy quick and easy craft and DIY projects, clearance hauls, thrift store flips, and rescue dogs, then you're in the right place. I want to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for coming over to my channel. I hope you enjoy the content and I enjoy having you as part of my YouTube family. And to those of you that have been with me from the beginning, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much for sticking by me. I do want to mention that I am only, I believe, 21 subscribers away from 500, which means when I get to 500, I'm doing a mega brand name makeup haul and surprise goodie giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps us grow out. It's completely free. And then what is the video we're doing today, you might ask? Well, we're doing some pretty easy fall DIY decor pieces because I am so loving fall. It is currently 100 degrees here in northern Utah, so it doesn't feel like fall, but I'm going to pretend it is because I really am ready for that cooler weather. As always, there will be a supply list in the description box below. Thank you so much for joining me today. I also want to mention that also at the end of this video, I will be opening some friend mail from Taco Patty, one of my subscribers. She sent me a box full of some goodies. So I'm going to open those up and share them with you. And if you want to see that, stay to the end of the video. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, for our first project, I am using one of these decor signs from Dollar Tree. They're just like the spring decor sign pieces. I'm going to be using a Dollar Tree calendar for the images in the back. I'm going to be using some crafting paper, or you can get this peel and stick wallpaper from the Dollar Tree if you want to make this an all Dollar Tree craft. I'm going to be using some of these wooden beads from Crafter Square at the Dollar Tree, and some twine, and then scissors, pencil, glue stick, my trusty spatula, because we are also going to be using my trusty glue gun. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just take one of these signs off. And I'm going to take my crafting paper and lay my sign on it. And use, I want to do it this way, so we're going to go this way. So I'm going to go ahead and lay this on my crafting paper and trace it out, and then use my scissors to cut it out. Then I'm going to take my trusty glue stick and cover the piece with glue. You can also use Mod Podge if you like, or if you want to just use some traditional Elmer's glue, go right ahead. And then I'm going to place my paper on top and smooth it out. If you have any overhang, you can just cut that off. As we all know, Mercedes can't cut in a straight line. And then next, I'm going to be taking this Hello Fall image from the back of the calendar. But honestly, you can use any image from the back of any calendar you like. Or if you don't have a calendar, you can use one of these really cute stickers from the Dollar Tree. The red truck would be awfully adorable. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut my image out. And I can go ahead and glue it onto there, or if you want to mount it on some colored paper behind it to make it pop more, you can do that too. But you know what, guys? I really like that fall truck, so I think we're going to go with that. Sorry about that, y'all. Dougal heard somebody at the door, so of course he has to do what terriers do and bark and scream to let mommy know. So as I mentioned, I'm actually going to use this cute little fall truck here. I think it's absolutely adorable. Look at that. Okay, so that is done there. And then I'm going to go ahead and I take my twine and make a knot at the bottom and string on some of these wooden beads to my sign. To my twine. Like so. And then I'm going to kind of measure about how long I want this to go. And then knot it off. And then cut it off. You're going to want to leave some at the bottom to glue it on. And then you will flip it over. And you can either actually tape this or glue this down, whichever you would prefer. So I'm going to go ahead and put some glue down. And use my trusty makeup spatula. Ooh, sorry, got my hand in that. Gotta be careful with the glue, folks. To push it down into the glue so you don't burn yourself, because that is no bueno, no good. And if you want to go safer route than hot glue, you can, as I mentioned, you could just put some tape on the back. And then I'm going to spread my beads out, 3 on either side. And I have this cute little sign that you can hang up anywhere that you like. For our second project, you'll need a pack of the Color Your Own Pumpkin Ornaments. You'll need some decorative napkins of your choice. These I got at Hobby Lobby, and Hobby Lobby currently has all of their fall supplies at 50% off. So that made these $1.99 for a pack of 50. You will need some magnets I got from the Dollar Tree. Some Mod Podge I also got from the Dollar Tree. I use one of these trusty little roller things to roll out with my Mod Podge. You can get these in the beauty department. You'll need a sponge for your Mod Podge. And you'll also need some scissors. And one of my favorite hacks, I can't think of what this is called. Sanding block. Oh wait, oh my goodness. Alright, so I'm going to take one of these decorate your own signs. And then I'm going to take one of these napkins and cut it out. You could also, if you don't want to use napkins, you can use some pattern paper, scrapbook paper, or even wrapping paper if you want. And I'm going to separate, so there are 2 layers here to the napkin. I am going to separate them out because I just want this top layer. Then I'm going to take my Mod Podge here and shake. Put some on the ornament. Brush it all across the ornament here. You might need some more. Now you can go all the way to the top if you'd like, or you could stop and leave it so it's kind of like a stem, whichever you would prefer. I'm going to go ahead and kind of leave the top. And then I'm going to take my napkin here, place it on the ornament, use this trusty little thing here and smooth it out. If you don't have one of these, no need to fear. You could just smooth it out with your hands. Whatever floats your boat. Whatever floats your boat. I'm going to go around it here. And then I'm going to take, these are some really detailed scissors that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to kind of, first I'm actually going to kind of fold this down to get kind of an edge. Kind of fold it and smooth it with your fingers. And then I'm going to cut pretty close to that edge. Like so. And then I'm going to take the sanding block. I don't know if you guys have seen this from my previous video, but if this is your first time, check this out. You just take your sanding block and you just go straight down on the edge with your sanding block. Like so. I won't keep going around because I don't want to make a bunch of noise. And you'll see that it takes the edge off to give you a clean edge on your ornament. And once you've done that, you are left with a clean ornament like so. And so actually, guys, the magnets are optional. So you could either tie the string through here and hang it up, which would be super cute. Or you can take the twine from the ornaments and make yourself a cutesy wootsy little bow to cover up the hole. Use a bow for the hole. We all know how Mercedes is with bows, but look, y'all, not too bad today. Cut the excess off. And then I'm going to use my trusty glue gun again. And I'm going to put a little dab of glue here where the hole is. Because I want to try to cover up that hole. And then I'm going to put my bow there. And I'm going to use my little spatula so I don't burn myself. Because that's no fun at all. And then that covered up the hole. And then I'm just going to take, if you want to do it, we're going to make these as a magnet. So I got my 2 magnets here. And my glue gun. And I'm going to place 2 dabs of glue. 1, 2. And then I'm going to put my magnets on there. Voila. Check it out. And now I have a super cute pumpkin magnet for my refrigerator. How cool is that? All right, I have my box from Taco Patty. Thank you so very much. She sent me a card that has the cutest little stickers on there. And then look at this little latte. It's got a pumpkin on it, and it's like a little keychain. I'm so going to put this on my keys. It's so cute. So I did read the card. It has some really cute apples on it. So thank you very much. Alright, so let's see. In this box, you guys, look at this. Isn't this the cutest wrapping job ever? I mean, look at it. It's like a pumpkin. It's all orange with the green. And look, there's a little cat on the top. I just think this is the cutest wrapping ever. Taco Patty, it's adorable. So let's see what's inside. It's so cute, I feel bad ripping it open. A little pumpkin here. And speaking of pumpkins, if you've been keeping up with my pumpkin saga of the pumpkins I'm growing in my garden, I have 2 pumpkins now. One is actually almost completely orange, and it's about this big. I'm really excited. And then I found a little small one that's about this big. It's still green, and it's growing, so I might actually have 2 pumpkins instead of 1. I'll do a little video of that later. Sorry for the crinkling. Wrapped in bubble wrap. Up here comes Dougal. He's coming to check it out. Oh my goodness. Y'all, look at this. It's a wax warmer with the 3 pumpkins. Oh, Taco Patty, I love it. Oh, I love the pumpkins. I love pumpkin everything. I got pumpkins all over my house. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much. I cannot wait to open this up and put it in my living room. Oh my goodness. This is so adorable. I have to open it up. Y'all gotta see this. We gotta look at it together. It's so, it's so pretty. Look at the lid. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at this. There we go. Isn't that just precious? Oh, I love it. It's beautiful. Thank you. And we got, oh look, got like a little sticker on there. Let's see what's inside. Better Homes and Gardens banana and pumpkin bread. It's some tarts to go in the warmer. Oh, y'all. Oh, I wish we had smell-o-vision. Oh my goodness, you guys. It smells absolutely delicious. Oh, Taco Patty. It is fantastic. Thank you so much. And then there's another goodie. It reminds me of candy corn. How cute is that? I just love it. Let's see what's inside. I feel bad like tearing the paper. It's so cute. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this ball-shaped pasta. Can you guys see? Oh, look, there's little leaves and little pumpkins. And look at all the different colors. This is almost too pretty to eat. Oh, Taco Patty, thank you so much. This was so thoughtful. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, you are so sweet, girl. Thank you so much. Yes, Dougal. Yeah, Dougal says thank you too. Come here. Dougal says, thank you, Taco Patty. Now our house will smell good, because my sissies like to poop in their crates sometimes. Aw, thank you, Taco Patty. We really appreciate you thinking of us. It was so sweet and so thoughtful. Thank you so much. You didn't have to do that, but I am so grateful. Thank you.